Et salut à tous, et surtout, heureux pour le live. Bon, allez, maintenant, c'est l'épisode 3 du coup de The Wolf Among Us, donc la suite du même live pour l'épisode 2. Donc, on va voir comment l'histoire évolue. En tout cas, pour l'instant, ça se passe bien, c'est intriguant. La masterclass de retour de pause pour l'intro. D'ailleurs, il va falloir bientôt que je bosse la fameuse intro intro, le outro, ça serait cool. En tout cas, du coup, on va se relancer The Wolf Among Us, qui pour l'instant est vraiment plutôt très cool. En tout cas, j'accroche bien. L'épisode 1 m'avait bien plu. Malheureusement, on l'a coupé pendant un petit moment, et là, on est enfin retourné dessus, et ça se passe vraiment bien. Plutôt cool, en tout cas, si cette intro, j'ai l'impression que t'as vraiment plu depuis le début, donc ça fait plaisir. Allez, let's go. Le jeu. C'est bon. J'ai cru que le jeu n'était plus là. Si ça donne envie, c'est le principal. C'est ça qu'il faudra que je bosse l'outro. Mais au final, l'outro, je vais peut-être voir pour faire plus simple. Je vais peut-être pas partir sur le délire que je voulais faire direct, en mode le gros truc. Je vais peut-être y aller en mode bien plus tranquille. C'est que la musique, c'est beaucoup. Hein. J'ai pas pris du chrono pour rien. Épisode 3. Un chemin tortueux. Bon, ça sera du coup le dernier épisode, je pense, qui marquera la fin du live. Ah oui, c'est le petit flashback.
But ever since we moved to this awful city, everything's gotten so confused.
Look, I didn't kill him.
Faudra que je m'occupe des dernières VOD, il y en a quand même quelques-unes qui sont en retard.
Snow. I just want you to be careful. I almost lost you once, and...
I'm not yours to lose. I'm not going to be an errand girl for Crane anymore.
She looks like Holly.
It's not Holly.
Je vais me poser une question, j'en parlerai après.
She was hooking to pay down debt. Eventually, the only people she owed were at her work. You know, that shithole club, the Puddin' and Pie.
My name is Nerissa.
Well, Nerissa, I've got some questions. The open arms.
Oh my god. What is it?
It's Crane.
C'est flippant cette machine. Alors il y a un truc qui me paraît bizarre. C'est pourquoi Crane était étonné du truc.
Fucking creep. Spineless little fucking rat.
Crane?
On va se la jouer logique, mais je trouve ça bizarre.
Bigby, you have to tell her.
I know.
Toujours Picsou, du coup non, même si ça me paraît bizarre.
You know, other than the...
I just need to find Snow.
Why? What's going on?
Shit!
Crane's been... Oh, Bigby, calm down. Everything's going to be fine, okay? It's going to be fine.
Will someone please explain this to me?
Crane has been stalking Snow White.
That perverted little fucker might be after Snow. I need to find her right now.
Okay, it's going to be okay. Where did you see her last?
Mais c'est vrai que dans les faits, c'est lui qui a le plus de possibilités, donc c'est pas étonnant en
To
même temps.
prepare for the funeral.
Lily's funeral?
Yeah.
How do you know?
I was just at the Trip Trap, and I heard Gren telling some folks about a funeral at the Buckingham
The Trip
Bridge.
Trap? Are you drinking?
When?
Right now. They're on their way out.
Cette histoire qui retombe, tiens.
Bigby! Wait.
What?
Snow's been through a lot. There are things she doesn't talk about. Just please be careful when you tell her. And you should tell her. But you know how you felt when you saw that picture? Well, it's going to be much worse for her. Just remember that.
Je trouve ça quand même bizarre. Mais bon. À voir, à voir. On va voir comment ça va évoluer. Oula, ça pue un peu cet endroit.
Honored to be asked to speak to you. We should let everyone speak. Lily had
Un particulier à choper dans les coins.
few fables she was truly close to. If you're here, then you were part of a very special circle. People she trusted and cared for. I won't offend you by claiming one day that the pain of losing Lily will ever subside. I know as well as you that it will never subside. But I also know that the memory of Lily will sustain as well. And it will, in time, equal in strength
Qu'est-ce que
to
c'est
our
que ça?
mourning her loss. And it is in that spirit that I'd like to talk about what
I'll
you've
miss
all been so
worrying about
grateful
you.
to share with me.
I'll miss our
Your
fights.
memories of her.
I'll miss you.
How she could be
Holly.
stubborn and patient, rash and thoughtful. How she carried a torch for the old ways. For
Now you will
tradition,
never
for,
die from indifference or
pageantry.
lead a tedious
And
life.
most of all,
Goodbye,
it seems
sweetheart.
how
Thanks for
Lily
everything.
loved, dearly
Vivian.
loved her friends and family.
J'avoue, mais ça aurait tellement foutu la merde. À mon avis, Snow, elle m'aurait détesté.
I never met Lily,
You were a big,
but
bright,
from
shining
what I've been
star
told,
in this
I know in
shithole
my
of a
heart
town.
that she
and I
would have
miss
liked
you
to be here
already.
tonight.
Gran.
And now we'll have our moment of silence. Thank you. Bigby.
Ah, j'avoue, par
is
contre, ça aurait été très
everything
drôle.
okay?
No, not you.
Holly, it's...
He wasn't fucking invited.
Holly, wait.
He has no right to be here.
Non,
Not after
l'endroit
what he
te
did.
t'appartient pas en fait.
Holly, settle down. I'll only take a minute.
You throw my sister down the witching well, and you have the nerve to show your face here? After you lie and say you'll check first?
Holly, wait. That was Crane. Just Crane. He disposed of Lily's body before Bigby could do anything about it. I'm telling you the truth.
Don't cover for him.
But this genuinely wasn't his fault.
You can't tell me Bigby gives a shit about this.
Crane's a fucking prick, so this doesn't surprise me.
Hey, what do you know? We actually agree on something.
Bigby cares, Holly. He's trying to help. And I'm sure he has a very good reason for being here. But this one isn't on him.
Why are you here anyway? And don't say it's because you care about this.
Everything okay?
I'm here to talk to Snow.
Oh, really?
Yes, Holly, this is serious.
Okay, look. Bigby and I are going to have a little chat far away from the ceremony, all right?
Voilà, j'ai pas envie d'ébruiter non plus l'affaire.
Holly, I know how this must...
No, you don't know how this must feel. You have no idea. Don't fuck anything up. Don't bother anybody. And when the first sign of trouble comes, and it will come because you're a goddamn walking trap for it, I want you the fuck out of here. You hear me?
I just want to get Lily's killer, Holly, nothing more.
Let's just continue, okay?
This is such total fucking bullshit.
Let's go, Holly. It's your turn to talk.
Ah,
This better
salut
be
Warren
wildly
Soupy, comment ça va?
important. It's been hard enough making a connection with these people. When you pull this kind of stuff, it just resets the clock.
Crane murdered Lily.
What?
I followed a lead to this shithole motel, the Open Arms. Crane had a room there, and he's been taking prostitutes, or at the very least Lily, and making her look like you while he was, you know. The bed was covered in blood. I know it was him.
This is... I don't even know what to say right now. I really don't. I'm just trying everything I can right now to not picture it. To not picture him.
I thought that Crane might be looking for you. I thought you might be in trouble.
You're sure this is what happened? This is what he's been doing? Because please, Bigby, don't confuse things. Deposing Crane would be the next step. And if we get this wrong, it would mean more than our jobs.
Crane has been taking photos, Snow.
Ah, je vois que Forel Snoopy connaît bien le jeu.
Photos that show him...
He's been recording his visits with Lily.
God. Look, let's go back to the business office. I doubt Crane's there at this hour, but we need to talk. And this isn't the place.
Je monte pas la fauteuil comme un bourrin parce que c'est quand même un peu
What is
glauque.
it?
I'm sorry, but Holly's asking for you.
Are they starting the burn?
Yes. Everyone who spoke should really be present for this part. She's kind of distraught. You're not leaving yet, are you?
2 minutes. I don't mean to be,
No, I understand.
it's just that something's come up.
No, I get it. Take your time.
De toute façon, je suis
Won't
dans les
take
coins.
long.
Donc je suis dans les coins, il arrivera rien.
How'd it go? At the motel? Did you find anything? No?
It was Crane's room. But you knew that already, right?
Nerissa!
Yeah, coming!
À mon avis, il est plus dangereux. Enfin, soit il est super dangereux, soit il y a une couille.
Wait, easy now, girl. You know how this goes. The first thing in a visit, you say, how do you do? How do you do?
Now is really not the time for whatever you Jergovs are planning to do.
Well, isn't that the thing of it? Plans. Except it isn't our plans you should be concerning
Putain, il faut
yourself
ressemble vachement.
We'll snip to the chase for all sakes. A little bird told us that you're fitting to go after Crane. And you see, we have an interest in that particular boy. So you leave Crane
Ils
alone.
sont quand même
and
autant
we'll leave
vachement
you
au courant.
alone. Just take a little vacation is all. Don't even have to go anywhere. Just sit in your office and whistle to heaven for a few short days.
Are you working for Crane? Did he send you?
No, see now, you're already asking too many questions. Just pay attention. So what's it gonna be? We have a deal? You leave Crane alone and we leave you to yours? Brother, speak your mind. Fastly now. What's it gonna be?
Just don't hurt anyone, D.
That don't sound like a yes to me. Always wanting to do things the fun way. Ladies, gentlemen, invertebrates, please, rest easy. This is not...
What the hell is going on?
What's happening?
Very sorry to impose, but we only had a deal to work out with Bigby. And we're unhappy to report that things did not go as smoothly as planned.
Bigby, what is he talking about?
Never you mind that, it ain't any of your...
What deal? Stop this shit. Right now.
He hasn't exactly been a good sport about this. Not making our lives any easier.
What did I tell you? What did I say?
Ollie?
Think you motherfuckers could come here uninvited? You think you could just fucking interrupt Lily's funeral?
Calm down, darling. It was just a simple business transaction.
You fucking freaks are not getting away with this.
Holly, don't move!
Ollie, let me handle this.
Yeah, let's spare all the fuss. It's just a dead whore.
I'm gonna kill you!
Ouh, ils vont pas aimer ça.
Ollie!
I got it, dumb.
Oh le bordel. Ouh la merde. Grave. J'avoue, par contre, je me suis posé une question pendant un moment. C'est est-ce que j'avais possibilité de leur dire ouais, ok, on fait affaire, mais finalement derrière de faire ce que je voulais. Je me suis posé la question si je pouvais vraiment le faire ou pas. Du coup, j'ai pas osé dire oui. Ah, le drama est complet là. En passant, cette intro, elle est stylée. Hein. Ah, peut-être que je le referai, ouais, mais je pense que par contre, si je le refais, je le referai dans mon coin. Ou alors peut-être en stream Discord. Ça, on verra. Je pense pas que je le referai forcément sur Twitch.
I did as well as I could to take out the buckshot, but there's still some shards left embedded in your shoulder. They'll eventually worm their way out on their own, but until they do, you're gonna be sore.
Bigby, Dr. Swinehart was appointed Fabletown physician for a reason.
It's okay. There's only one thing you have to take away from all this. Take it easy.
Ah, j'imagine qu'il y a beaucoup à voir en effet.
Don't go looking for any more fights. Keep strain off your heart. And try and get some rest.
How's everyone else? They all make it?
They're fine. I had everyone that got wounded sent home. Holly refused
pensais
to
qu'ils
let me
étaient
see where
morts.
she lived. So I left her and Grendel back at her bar with a dose of juniper and spring water. The Titans, Bigby. They'll be fine. Just remember what I said. The stitches won't hold up if you continue to act like you normally do. Everything in moderation. And eat more chicken. Your blood pressure's through the proverbial roof.
I'll try to.
All right then. Very good.
Business office. I know, I'll have to call you back. The town is starting to find out.
Well, I'll leave you two to it then. Miss White, Bigby.
Ah oui, c'est vrai que vu comme ça, vu ce qu'il avait pris dans la tronche, au final, derrière, il était quand même
So,
en bon état.
recap.
Crane watched me through the magic mirror uncover his room at the open arms, and then he smashed it so we couldn't use it ourselves to go after him. And we know this because Buffkin was drinking in the rafters. That about cover it?
Once he puts all the pieces back together, it'll be easy to catch Crane. So, I guess that's the plan, currently. But I don't know.
There's no other leads. This is it. Just wait for the mirror.
Yeah. What the hell is going on? I don't know what the Tweedles get out of this. I don't know if Crane sent them. I don't know if...
Ouais, c'est ça, l'âge dans la tête, je me rappelle bien maintenant que tu me le rappelles.
Do you really think Crane did it?
Mais c'est qu'au final, bah, ça va quoi derrière.
I get it, but do you really think he killed those women? Because it's incomprehensible to me.
I'm as confused as you are, to be honest. I don't know.
Ouais, je trouve ça bizarre, mais...
It just doesn't make sense.
C'est ça, ça a pas de sens.
He was a conniver, a coward, a liar. And I'll always hate him for that. And I'll hate him for how he held me in his thoughts. But murdering prostitutes?
Ow!
Everything okay over there?
Yes, Miss White. I just cut myself on a piece of the glass. Nothing to worry about.
Thanks for tonight, by the way. That could have gone really terribly. I mean, even worse than it did. I'm glad you were there.
Anytime.
Can I, ask you a question? It's kind of personal. And I don't want to offend you, but after tonight, it's on my mind.
Sure.
It's just, when stuff hits the fan, like it did tonight, it feels like before we came to the city. It feels kind of like home. And I've heard it said that maybe in some tiny little bottled up way deep inside, you kind of enjoy it when things go wrong. Because it gives you an excuse to just, you know, stop pretending. I guess it doesn't matter.
Hey, guys? We have a problem.
What is it?
I can't finish the mirror. It's missing a piece.
Ah, évidemment.
What do you mean, missing a piece?
Yes, it's not here.
Crane must have taken a shard with him.
Oh, I can't believe this.
I saw Crane pick something up after he smashed it. I'm sorry.
Ah, mais
I didn't
clairement,
realize
ouais.
it was until now.
The mirror
C'est vrai que j'ai
can't
pas
work
répondu en
unless it's
mode
whole.
Well, that's
hésitant
not
sur ma
entirely
réponse, donc je l'ai joué RP.
But what, Buffkin? What? We sit around and wait until it mends itself? We have no idea how long that will take. We're just gonna have to do this the hard way.
I'm just saying, waiting is an option.
No. We can't depend on the mirror.
What exactly is the hard way?
We'll look through his things, his desk, everything. He had to have
Ça me
left
déplaît pas.
something that tells us where he's going. He's a neat freak, but he was never that smart.
Smart enough to take a piece of the mirror.
Ah,
We can still
d'accord.
solve this ourselves. I know
Never
that.
mind that. Come help me look.
Hi, Mr. Bigby. I can still help you catch Crane, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. I saw him jump on the telephone before he left. He called up somebody. He said he needed to see his witch, or that he would need to get to the witch
Sa
for that.
sorcière.
Whoever that is.
His witch?
Yes, it sounded like the one he got his snow glamours from.
C'est que si c'est une sorcière, ça ferait sens qu'il ait de quoi faire des trompe-l'œil.
Look, the whole mirror thing, it's not your fault, all right?
You mean it?
Yeah. You didn't see anything else, did you?
No, not especially.
Why didn't you try and stop him?
What do you want me to do? Yank on his hair? I'm only 3 feet tall. There are
J'avoue, le
limits
petit sourire.
Okay.
I'll just see if I can do anything about this.
You do that.
Mais je peux pas être un connard avec lui, il a rien fait de mal. Ouais, c'est ça, c'est totalement gratuit quand tu peux le bully. Donc je fais, ah non, désolé, je peux pas, moi. On va parler à Snow.
Buffkin says that he overheard Crane call somebody before he left. Sounds like he's going to see a witch, or...
Et je comprends que Warren Snoopy aime bien Snow, effectivement.
Glamour witch.
Wait, really? None of the 13th floor witches would allow that sort of thing. They must be somewhere in the city. It's something, at least.
Find anything?
No, but there's enough notes and stuff here to take all night. Maybe check that stuff there.
Ah, je disais, je comprends que Warren Snoopy apprécie Snow. Je la trouve plutôt cool. Une lettre, une autre lettre, encore une lettre. Et boîte de réception. On va commencer par ça.
What is it?
Ça serait pas la clé?
Key to his
Ah
room
tiens.
with the open arms.
You still
Bon,
haven't
du coup,
told
ça
me what
confirme
was
que
in
c'était
there.
lui.
I want to know. I need to know.
A lot of blood and flowers.
I keep thinking back. I keep replaying moments in my head. Interactions with him when he'd catch me in the elevator or bump into me outside.
Ah bah Big B, c'est la
There's only
classe
so much
interstellaire.
you can repress, you know?
Don't worry, Snow. We'll get him.
Come on, let's keep looking.
Dommage que ça soit pas traduit, tiens. Est-ce qu'il y a une mise à jour Extra funding. Ça attend, comment ça se traduit ça? Funding, c'est quoi déjà la traduction? Ouais, le trauma, il est vraiment horrible. Si j'appuie sur A ou X, ça fait quelque chose? Non, ça fait rien. Peut-être Y. Oh, je vais la faire à l'ancienne. Alors, y a-t-il des mises à jour sur le financement supplémentaire? Ah, on va se la jouer plutôt après.
Y a-t-il des mises à jour sur le financement supplémentaire que j'ai demandé? Comme je l'expliquais dans ma dernière lettre, les conditions ici pourraient bénéficier d'une certaine amélioration. Je constate des troubles de la part des résidents et dois admettre que je ne comprends pas pourquoi. Non, que je comprends pourquoi. La ferme ne devrait pas être une punition. Je suis sûr que tu es occupé, mais que cela ne devrait... Est-ce que cela ne devrait pas être une priorité? Non, je pense que cela devrait être une priorité plutôt.
J'ai utilisé un traducteur et ensuite j'alterne en fonction de moi ce que je comprends. Cher monsieur Ichabod Crane, je vous écris pour demander encore une fois d'envoyer quelqu'un pour réparer la climatisation dans notre unité. D'accord. Ça brûle dans le... Enfin, l'appartement de Pinocchio brûle dès que sa peau se brise. Je ne sais pas ce que cela signifie, mais je suppose que c'est quelque chose de dégoûtant et j'aimerais vraiment que vous répariez la climatisation, comme nous vous l'avons demandé il y a déjà 3 mois. En attendant, fournissez-nous au moins un ventilateur. Ah oui, cordialement, le garçon bleu. Est-ce que c'est un schtroumpf? Il y a encore une lettre. Ça va être quoi comme complainte cette fois-ci? Ah, Toad. J'aime bien Toad.
Même si c'est pas le Toad qu'on connaît. Monsieur Crane.
Non, plutôt.
Monsieur Crane, tu as dit que tu paierais pour avoir le plâtre refait dans l'immeuble. Alors le dernier incident du 204?
Non, après le dernier incident du 204. Comment ça, le dernier incident du 204? Le 204, c'est là où la chambre où on était tout à l'heure. Bizarre ça.
Ça tombe des putains de murs. Règle-le, s'il vous plaît. Je ne peux pas louer cette chambre telle qu'elle est, et j'attends déjà depuis des jours. Sans oublier que tu m'as promis que tu enverrais quelqu'un pour réparer la grosse fissure dans la vitre de la porte d'entrée. Eh ben devinez quoi? C'est encore pire maintenant. Rassemblez votre merde. Ensemble. Signé, Monsieur Toad.
Elle est bizarre cette lettre.
Crane ever do any work?
Only when Cole was around.
Ah. C'est utile d'avoir un Big B. Faut forcer un truc, pas de souci. Ça va être forfait.
There's a page here that was torn out.
Oh yeah? Buffkin, do you know what was here?
Le roi de...
It's a ring, at least. Every magical item not retained in the armory is assigned to someone in Fabletown. It must be this witch he is going to see.
Yeah, I only recently heard about this meeting. Why didn't you mention this before?
No one asked me.
Buffkin!
And I'm
C'est une bonne réponse, hein.
He set the meeting at 2 a.m. tonight.
What's going on? Is the mirror fixed yet?
Bluebeard, this isn't the time.
Is the mirror fixed or isn't it? You called me
I called just to see if you knew where Crane could be, and that was it, okay? And I'm sorry I said anything more than that.
Well, you did, and I know.
J'avoue qu'il ouvre le bocal de cornichons sans forcer, hein.
Can we find the dull pervert or not?
I tried.
No, it can't be fixed. It's missing a piece.
This is none of Bluebeard's business, Bigby.
None of my business? Crane's the murderer. He escaped. It seems he spoiled your every attempt at locating him. And now it's none of my business?
We don't know if he's the murderer.
Oh, please. Of course he is.
Look, this just isn't the time. He took a piece of the mirror, so we can't use it.
The only thing we know is that Crane's going to see a witch at 2 o'clock.
Allez pas le dire.
A.M.
Listen, Bluebeard, you're not a part of this.
I don't think you're in any position to turn away help.
What do you know about Crane anyway?
That he has the stones to kill prostitutes like any common sex-frightened serial killer and not face a real challenge.
Look, we know that Crane is going to see a witch, and it's to acquire a magic ring.
What's the ring?
We don't know what it does or who it's assigned to since Crane tore its page out of the book.
This farce was your ridiculous idea for a plan. I mean, who put you in charge in the first place?
Fixing the mirror was the most logical
You're
thing.
a secretary. He's the sheriff. And none of you are chosen to run this office. Who elected you to make these decisions?
Nobody, but that
Who
doesn't...
elected her to spend my money?
Well, I've been doing that unofficially for years now.
Unofficially is not officially.
I'm heading up the investigation, okay, Bluebeard? That makes this a moot point.
And somebody needs to run the business office while he does so.
Well then, excuse me for having the Commonwealth in mind.
Oui, Hitman. Par contre, il lui manque le code barre dans la tête.
All right, let's just look on the bright side. We know Crane is going to see the witch that's been supplying him black market glamours.
Thanks to me.
And that he'll be there at 2. So that gives us a few short hours to find out who it is and where they live and get them all at once.
And a few shorter hours the more you babble about it.
We haven't been the ones babbling.
Yeah. Just point in the direction you want me to check first.
Since Lily used the glamours, she'd have known who the witch was. And I don't think Holly's burned her things yet. It would probably have the address or a phone number or something.
And Bigby is free to go there if he likes. But I think the question you should be asking is just what do the two Tweedles know
Ouais,
about
ça je suis
this?
d'accord avec lui.
It doesn't matter what they know. After tonight, they'd never go to their office.
They're not smart enough to try and go anywhere else.
The Trip Trap is the better option to track the witch down. That has to be our focus.
Look, chances are I'll have to swing by both anyways.
No, chances are you won't have time.
I don't really care what you two do. I'm going to his apartment.
What? You can't just go up there.
And why the hell not?
We already looked for the key, remember? I don't know where it is.
On
Then I'll
enfonce la
pick the
porte.
blasted lock. I've wasted enough time.
Je suis un peu d'accord avec lui sur certains aspects. Hein.
I won't waste any more.
You just can't go up there alone, all right?
I've no interest in nicking his drapes, my dear, if that's what concerns you.
What concerns me is you traipsing
J'avoue
through
par contre,
possible
je connais
evidence.
absolument pas son compte.
Now it's evidence. Before you had no interest, and now it's a crime scene.
Fine, I don't care. Just go ahead.
We can't just let Bluebeard run amok in Crane's place.
Ha!
He's after something. I just don't know what it is. We have to find
Ah,
the
c'est une
witch,
enflure.
Bluebeard,
D'accord.
Since that's where he's going.
Or the sniveling weasel chickened out. Never went anywhere. And is upstairs
C'est vrai que
right
du coup,
now.
ouais, Barbe Bleue, pour le coup, je connais
Penthouse,
absolument pas.
Crafting a fort out of couch cushions. Look, this is how a smart person would do it. So this is how we're going to do it. Wherever you go, I'll go to the other.
I don't like you going anywhere unsupervised. He's up to something. I don't know what it is, but we don't have the time to really worry about it now.
Ah oui, effectivement, c'est vraiment l'enflure.
Where are you gonna go, Bigby?
So you leave Crane alone, and we'll leave you alone.
I'd love to join you, but there's some business I need to attend to.
No, I'm better off dealing with things alone. I don't need
Ah oui, en plus, ils sont rajouté une couche. À part de crâne, le bar de Holly. Le bureau de 10, j'ai doute qu'on trouve quelque chose. À mon avis, ils se sont barrés, il n'y a plus rien. Ça serait pour moi sans doute une perte de temps. La part de crâne, dans les faits, j'ai envie de dire la même chose. J'ai du mal à me dire qu'il a tout laissé. Il n'y a que le bar de Holly dans les faits, ça serait... Enfin, en tout cas, dans ma logique, c'est là où je me dis qu'il y a plus de chances d'avoir quelque chose.
The witch's identity must be with Lily's stuff. I should go see Holly first.
Perfect. And I'll go to Crane's apartment.
I'll check in with you later. I hope you know what you're doing.
Après, c'est vrai que ça se trouve, Barbe Bleue, là, il va cacher des trucs. Mais bon, on verra bien. Je veux pas refaire l'erreur que j'avais fait avant de prendre trop mon temps sur certains aspects. On sait jamais, ça peut disparaître. On peut enfoncer la porte. On va pas l'enfoncer.
Guys, open up. It's the sheriff.
Hey, look, Woody, it's the sheriff.
Ah.
Well, come on in, buddy.
Brent.
What? He's a traveler. A weary traveler in search of some hospitality, right?
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Ouais, poteau. Ça m'a surpris aussi.
I want a drink. Anybody else want a drink?
Brent, Swinehart said you shouldn't mix
You
it.
think I give a fuck what that fucking guy says? Or what you say?
Ah, ça change de ta partie. C'est vrai que ça me surprend, moi.
Really, you shouldn't drink right now.
I can't hear you when you mumble.
Have you seen Lily's things? What wasn't burned at the funeral?
Is that stuff supposed to be here, or?
Nope, haven't seen it.
Holly's asleep in back, but you won't be able to wake her.
Really? The doc gave them both Barmecidal ambrosia for the pain.
Look, the deal is, if you resist going to sleep, like I am right now, it gives you a very,
C'est pas totalement faux, ça.
very nice high.
And he said that he shouldn't mix it with alcohol.
Yes, he did. He certainly did. But let me tell you something. I haven't felt this good in a long time, fat boy. And I feel like having a drink, okay?
Vas-y, si tu veux.
That funeral back there, that was a shitty fucking send-off for a pretty okay lady.
Yeah.
You weren't fucking there. Talking to Bigby now, okay? Can't say you being there helped things much.
Gren, don't start nothing.
Who's starting anything? I'm not.
You think I shot up the place? It wasn't my fault.
They got away though, didn't they? Whatever. It's alright. I'm too out of it to get into it. I want to clear the air. We're all in this dung heap of a fucking shit town together. And we're all gonna have a toast. All of us.
Fellas, I'm here to one thing. To look through Lily's belongings and get out of here. Now,
Yeah, I know. And I want to help you, okay? And I will. But first, indulge me. It'll take 2 seconds. As a show of good faith. And after, we'll all hunt and peck for Lily's shit or whatever.
Grand Bigby didn't come here to get loaded with you.
I don't want to get
Allez,
loaded
vas-y.
with him. To the dead.
All right, now help me.
Ah. Une embrouille.
The
Doc said you needed a rest.
How many times you fucking gonna warn me about it, huh? You're not my fucking mother, so just get off my back!
I said I was sorry, all
Eh,
right?
merde.
I can't do anything about it. It's done.
Allez, je les sépare.
What more do you want? What else can I fucking say here?
Cut this shit out now. I don't care what
Faut que je joue quand même, je suis le shérif après tout.
You haven't heard the news. This walking lard cake was paying Holly's sister to let him fuck her behind all of our backs. And Holly had to find out going through all of her sister's shit. What fun that must have been. Trick after trick of this fat ass and Lily.
I didn't plan for that, all right? And our thing, whatever it wasn't a big deal. It wasn't. I never fucked her when she was snowing. I didn't know nothing about that.
No, but you knew Holly would flip out. And you knew for a damn good fucking reason.
You know what? Fuck this. I don't need this shit.
Oh yeah, that's it. Now you're teary-eyed. You were always such a lowlife. I don't know why I never realized it till now. What do you think about this fucking loser, Sheriff?
He can think whatever he wants. I don't give a shit.
No, that's okay, because I'll tell you what he thinks.
Wait. I've got some questions for you.
What possible questions could you have for this piece of shit? Everything's a problem when I want to talk, but when the woodsman's about to leave, it's, oh wait, I have questions.
What do you want?
Tweedledee came in here 2 nights ago. Why'd you run?
I was scared, okay? I didn't want to go down for something I didn't do. I never would have hurt that girl, Bigby.
All right.
Fallait qu'on ait cette réponse depuis le temps.
Gren. I don't know where Lily's shit is. Check Holly's room, I don't know. But I wouldn't wake her if I were you. Sleepwalkers and trolls. I think that's the rule. Maybe, ogres, too.
I thought you said you would help me look.
Actually, Bigby, if you'll excuse me, it seems that I'm gonna
Ah, mais c'est un déchet, le mec.
Alright, Sheriff? What a fucking day.
Ah, Gren ne s'en rappellera pas, punaise. Lit de camp, au lit. Ouais, je peux lui parler au tapé. Je peux regarder le lit de camp. Alcool. Ah oui, mais en fait, je le dis aussi parce qu'en fait, dans les dans les possibilités, il y avait la possibilité de lui dire cache, t'es un déchet, mec. J'ai trouvé ça un peu drôle. Ah merde. Non, c'est bon. Attends, y a pas d'autres trucs? Y a le lit de camp, ok, mais Ah.
That you, Woody? Woody? Is that you? Woody, bar's closed. And Lily ain't around anyway, so you can run off back to the woods, I guess.
Techniquement, je dirais un truc, ma voix était reconnue, donc j'ai préféré rien dire. Ah tiens donc, la fameuse bouteille. Là par contre c'est la même, très clairement.
Did you care about her at all? She was a nice girl. Ran around too much, but a nice girl. I thought you were a friend. I don't know why you fucking came here. There's nothing left for you to ruin. And I'm not in an entertaining mood.
I'm sorry, Holly. I'm sorry for what happened. I'll make it up to you.
Ah, sure you will, kid. When the rivers turn coarse and the sky bleeds fucking gypsies.
Ah tiens donc, le trompe-l'œil, la broche. On l'a pas donné le trompe-l'œil, comment ça se fait qu'il y en a un autre? Si on l'a... Ah bah si, ça doit être Snow qui les a donnés, je suis en train de me dire. Bon, la broche on l'avait déjà vue elle, mais bon, dans le doute. Ouais, c'est ça, elle a récupéré les affaires, j'y pensais plus sur le coup.
Lily's funeral. It was just so fucked tonight. I just don't know what Bigby's doing. If he cares about it. If he even gives a shit. I don't know. I don't know why he showed up. I just wish he'd get out of my fucking life.
He cares about this. About Lily. About Faith. I know he does.
You think so?
Yeah.
Well, you know him better than anybody, so... I guess I'll take your word for it.
If you were getting your glamour on this day, then one of these has to be the witch. But, which one?
J'ai envie de dire, il y en a une, c'était écrit Woodland. Ça collerait un peu.
Is anyone there? Bigby, if you're there, pick up, okay?
Snow?
Hey, I just wanted to see how it was going. Did you find anything?
Just an address book with her contact's initials. Not sure which one is the witch, though.
Strange. These people keep cropping up. Before a few days ago, I thought I knew everyone in Fabletown.
Any chance you can cross-reference these with the records in the business office? Maybe track her down that way.
Yeah, but who knows how long that'll take. You should try going up to Crane's place. I sent Buffkin up there to check on things. Bluebeard, you know. Or you could try at the Tweedle's office. Just make it quick. We don't have a lot of time. The meeting is at 2.
I'll head over to Tweedledee's place.
Eux, ils sont quand même bizarres, encore avec un Malichek.
Sounds good. Just keep me posted.
De toute façon, maintenant que Barbe Blond l'a laissé faire ses trucs, autant le... Ça sert à rien d'y aller maintenant. Enfin, je pense.
I hope you're right.
Excuse me.
Oh, hi. Sheriff Bigby. Great to see you. I don't know if you remember me. I've, seen you around, but you may have forgotten.
I know who you are, Flycatcher. You've worked at the Woodlands for how many years now?
I think I've lost count. But you know, Crane, let me go recently.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, it's no big deal. So, what brings you here? I mean, can I help you with anything? Are you here to see one of the brothers? D or Dumb?
I was hoping to have a talk with D or Dumb. Do you know where they are?
No, they don't really keep regular hours as far as I can tell. Sorry. It's been, a quiet night so far. I think the twins are out, probably working on a case. Sometimes I don't see them for days. They gave me the job after Crane told me to get lost. He said I was just in the way.
Where's their office?
Oh, right this way. I was going there next anyway. I can let you in if you want. You can wait for them there.
Sure, thanks.
No problem.
I'm gonna have to take a look around.
Well, I guess that would be okay.
I wasn't really asking for permission.
Right, you're the sheriff. I just don't want to get in trouble or anything. I'm sure it's fine. I mean, they never told me not to let you in.
Don't worry. I won't get you in trouble, all right?
Right.
J'adore quand il écrase ses cigarettes partout, on dit il en a rien à carrer. Ah bah tiens, une boîte à cigares. On va en prendre un petit.
You know about this?
Ah bah non, c'est une clé.
Dear Brother D, I think we should get ourselves a dog. Sincerely, Brother Dunn. He actually mailed this?
They do have their quirks.
Ah oui, en effet.
This is pointless. Dear Brother Dunn, I hate dogs and you know it. Sincerely.
Qu'est-ce qu'ils sont cons.
Couple of freaks.
I know these guys can come off abrasive at times, but they aren't so bad once you get to know them. And they really care about helping people. They're kind of loud at times, but you get used to it. I guess they have to be, in their line of work. Dee always tells me you have to be assertive.
How do you mean they help people?
They're detectives. Anyone can come in here with a problem and they'll do their best to fix it. The way Dee explains it, it's like if someone lost their cat, well, they could hire them to, you know, track it down. Or like sometimes they get packages for people. They can be like couriers, you know?
For who?
All kinds. Come to think of it, I don't really know where they keep them. Anyways, I'm just...
J'aurais pas pensé que c'était des
just don't know them
détectives en
like
tout cas.
Sure, Flycatcher.
I'm sure you have your reasons, but it's just they've done so much for me.
Let's see if they've got a file on Crane.
Label. Ah, Zap Brannigan. Ça y est, il est là. Je pensais pas qu'il était ici. Cindy, Crane et Podan. On va tout regarder.
This is worse than I thought. Shit.
Je regarde tout parce que je pense pas qu'il va revenir d'ici peu.
Detective Brannigan. Keep an eye on her.
Crane après Hugo.
Crane hired them to look for a photo? So that's why they were at her apartment. And the woodsman's place.
See, I knew you wouldn't find anything. Anything of interest, anyways. They're detectives, like I said. Just trying to make an honest living. See?
I haven't found anything yet.
I'm just saying.
Look, just trust me on this. Tweedledee and Dum are not nice. They're not helping anyone.
Well, they helped me.
Okay, great. They helped you. That's one
Enfin, je vais pas avoir le dossier de Crane.
Now,
Enfin,
please,
Crane.
just let me concentrate here.
Ah si, j'ai eu peur.
Ichabod Crane. He owes the crooked man money. Shit. How is he planning to pay this all back?
Ah, il en doit beaucoup,
Request for
effectivement.
property acquisition. Further details filed under donkey skin. Why did he want it back so badly?
Find anything?
Not what I need.
What if you're wrong about them?
I'm not.
They're misunderstood, sure, but that doesn't mean everything people say about them is true. I mean, you know, like when I think about it, you guys aren't that different. You help people, and they help people. Not that it's any of my business, but I just wanted to say, you know, give him a chance. People can surprise you.
Is that what you think?
Bigby?
Shit. There's something here. I know there is. There has to be.
Why would there be anything
Because they're lying to you, okay, Flycatcher? That's why. They aren't detectives. They're somehow involved in the murders, Flycatcher. 2 Fables are dead.
Bigby, what happened to your...
Ah merde.
You wanna know what this is? This is them showing up to Lily's funeral with fucking shotguns!
I'm sorry, I didn't know.
Look, Flycatcher, I know you like them, but they're a part of whatever's happening here. They're bad guys. I didn't mean to...
There's a door behind this file cabinet. I don't know what they keep back here, but it might be what you're looking for. Well, that key you found should work.
Ah tiens, la fameuse clé. Ah oui.
Wow.
Il y a des trucs partout. Ah, il y a vraiment des trucs partout. Bon, on va commencer par là.
I'm sorry, I know I'm late. I'll get it to you soon. Ichabod Crane.
Who was he sending money to?
Crooked Man. Care of the Lucky Pawn. You know what that is?
Yep.
Is that what you needed?
I don't think so, but it's interesting. There's more going on here. I still need to find that witch, though.
What are you looking for exactly? Maybe I can help.
Anything about Crane, or the witch he was using. Something.
Hey, Bigby. Do you think, after all this, do you think I could come back to the Woodlands? Since Crane let me go, I mean, I can still work here, but I don't think I want to now. I don't want to work with bad people, you know?
Well, Crane is gone now. I can't see why he couldn't come back to the Woodlands.
Really? That would be... thank you.
Come by the business office. I can't make any promises.
Right, of course.
It's Snow's hair.
Snow White? Why...
He found her hair like this inside Lily's glamour. Auntie Greenleaf. This must be the witch Crane was using.
I guess Dee and Dumb were getting the hair for Crane and sending it to her? That's not a pleasant thought.
Ouais, ça pue un peu cette histoire.
Auntie Greenleaf. A.G. This is it. Is there a phone around here? I need to call Snow.
Right over there.
Thanks, Fly.
Business office?
I know who she is.
Ah dommage, je voulais regarder les autres trucs moi.
Bigby! I just got here.
Yeah, me too. It's number 23. I haven't seen it yet.
We're late.
Yeah, I know. This
Ah
is
oui,
it.
effectivement, on a du retard.
Alright.
C'est frustrant,
How do we
ouais.
do this?
J'avoue que c'est frustrant. On va déjà écouter discrètement.
Hear anything?
If anyone's in there, they're being awfully quiet.
Ouais, je suis bien timé. Hein, je m'attendais pas à avoir une gamine.
You woke me up.
Bon, j'ai bien fait de pas défoncer la porte.
Sorry about that. Is something wrong?
Who are you?
Rachel, who are you? Just so...
Je suis le grand méchant loup.
I'm Bigby. This is Snow.
Pleased to meet you. How do you do? Is there anything you need?
Is Auntie Greenleaf at home? Does she live here?
You mean my mom?
She ever, you know, make the nightstand levitate, turn frogs into cats, that kind of thing?
Is she a witch, dear?
No, I would never call my mommy that. She treats me all right.
J'avoue que la réponse elle est stylée.
Something you want? I don't think I can really help you.
Rachel, do you mind if I take just a quick peek around?
We'll be very quick, and he won't touch anything.
I've been here all night. Nobody's been here.
Ça c'est bizarre.
Okay, Bigby. I'm gonna trust you not to break anything. Don't get me in trouble.
What are we looking for specifically?
Crane. He could still be here.
Tourne-disque, portrait, crâne de cerf. Poêle.
No one's been over all night, so...
He's just going to check. It'll only take a moment.
What is this?
Mommy uses that to carve her trinkets. It's from the old world.
Trinkets? Like glamours?
Not here.
There's no one here but me. Where do you buy your clothes?
At a store?
It's
Ah
pretty
merde.
rare to see a burner like this.
J'étais curieux de savoir c'était quoi ce qu'ils allaient dire.
I saw a spider over there yesterday.
Oh?
It was a pretty one.
Your mom a hunter?
Oh no, she never... That was found in the woods around Dick's Mountain, I think. Do you like broccoli?
Not really.
I love it.
C'est ces conversations.
Uh-huh.
Let me guess. Big band or classical?
Honky tonk.
No accounting for taste.
J'avais pas vu ça.
There's nothing that looks like Crane was here either.
Nothing?
Je suis sûr que si on est allé plus tôt, il aurait été là. J'en suis presque sûr. Mais on a été trop en retard.
A butcher.
What's that?
A package having to do with someone called the Butcher. It's empty.
La gamine en sait plus qu'est-ce qu'elle veut faire croire.
Nothing?
Keep getting whiffs of that aftershave of his.
I do too.
Can I go to bed now? Please?
Is that a glamour tube?
Mommy really doesn't let anyone play with that. Trust me, I've tried.
Bah moi je vais y jouer avec.
Oh, no. Please, just put that back exactly where you found it. No one is allowed to play with that.
It's all right, honey. Bigby's not going to break
No,
it.
you don't understand. She will freak out if she discovers I've let people in here and let them touch her stuff, okay? She checks all the time to see if things move. I don't want to get in trouble. Look, I'm already grounded.
Snow, come on. Are you kidding? It's a glamour tube. Something's going on here.
No! Put it down! Please, don't! This isn't what you think! You gotta believe me. The guy isn't here, I promise!
It's gonna be okay, Rachel.
Please, I'm begging you. I don't wanna get in trouble.
Auntie Greenleaf.
Oula.
It hurts when you do it that fast.
Je m'attendais pas à ça. Enfin, quoi que je me disais que c'était bizarre cette gamine, mais bon.
Sprightly enough.
Why Rachel? Why the little girl?
I don't think that's any of your business, Wolf.
Why?
How about because it works? That's why. That good enough for you? Certainly kept you two off the scent for a while.
A short while. All right, start explaining. And from the beginning.
Ah, c'était grillé, hein.
Born in the woods to a jack-o'-lantern.
None of this pathetic witchcraft crap is gonna prevent me from prying what I need from your gullet. Now tell me where Crane is.
I ain't a fortune teller, Wolf. I have no heavenly idea where he went to.
You have to know something.
Unless you want a recipe for owl stew, there's nothing I know that would help.
I'd be very, very careful if I were you. You're not as cute as that little girl.
You have a lot to learn on how to treat a lady.
Greenleaf?
When I was starving and homeless and out on the streets, nobody gave 3 sticks of thought about me. And now I'm supposed to care what you want? If I helped you, I'd be strung up on the Statue of Liberty before the morning commute. No thanks. There's powers at work here beyond your pathetic authority.
Whatever it is, Greenleaf, whatever it is that's keeping you from saying something, you have to forget it. This is more important.
Is it?
You should be a lot more afraid of me and whatever horseshit you think will come back to bite you.
You have no idea what's going on, do you?
Okay, you know what I think? I think we've been more than patient with you. This witch has been selling illegal glamours that continue to undermine everything we've built. She's harboring a fugitive that took advantage of it, and now she's resisting every attempt to make things right. I frankly don't give a crap if she's afraid for her life. We can at least make sure she never hurts us again. We're destroying the tree.
No!
Oh, Snow qui commence à devenir en mode bourrine, c'est cool.
Threaten to take from me the one thing that... That tree is ancient. It's part of the family, and it's the only thing paying for this shithole apartment. And the Fables, who can't afford the glamours from you, come to me for help. Without them, where do you think they could go?
Don't give me that. You're making money off of other people's misery. 2 Fables are dead because of this crap. It's too dangerous leaving this stuff with her.
You think I like being the old woman in these stories? The men are heroes, the ladies are whores, and the old hags like me get to watch everyone they love die.
We have very different ways of handling our fate.
Very different means to handle it too.
And I don't use it as an excuse to wreck people's lives.
I'm sorry, Sheriff, but please.
Isn't there another way? She's a witch. Can't she just work for us? That way she'd be official.
You want to reward her for criminal behavior? We can't trust this woman on the 13th floor.
It doesn't matter, because I'd never do it. I'm not a house cat, and I don't play.
Dommage, t'ai laissé une
Trust me,
possibilité.
no one would confuse you for a cuddly animal. Bigby, this is an order. Burn the tree.
No! Look, I'll tell you. Crane was here. He was here, and he left. He went to the pudding and pie to try to use my ring on the girls over there to get information.
What does the ring do?
He thinks it's the Ring of Dispel. Pierce the protection around the girls' speech. He says pulling the truth out of them will prove his innocence. It won't, though. Damn thing lost its power decades ago.
I'm sorry, but we still can't let you keep the tree. It wouldn't be right after what's happened. Bigby.
Please, Sheriff. Don't.
Ah, j'avoue que j'ai pas su là.
Okay, well, I guess I see where I stand with you.
All right, let's go.
Hey, Greenleaf. Don't think this is over.
I won't.
J'avais envie de le cramer, j'étais en mode vas-y. Et j'ai hésité. Les fameux moments où j'ai pas eu le temps de vraiment réfléchir à la question.
It's Crane's car.
No, it's nothing you need to concern yourself with. I don't think so, at least. Shit. Hold on. Oh, do you miss the spot? Mr. Clean, come to smash up the rest of my place. Oh, I see. Come to audition, you bitch.
Allez, boum.
Fucking fuck, man!
Ouais, c'est ça, la pression, comme tu dis.
You can't just go in there.
Si, je peux.
We have a problem.
Tell me who did it. Just tell me who did it. I know you know.
Mr. Crane, please. She can't help.
I know you know what the plan is. I won't be held accountable for this.
I can't. I'm sorry.
Oh my god. Bigby.
Wait, don't.
I didn't do anything. I promise you, I didn't do anything. These girls, the girls, they'll back me up. I just have to get this stupid ring working, that's all. They can't talk because of that spell, but once this ring gets through, I'll know what's going on and this whole thing will be over. That's all, please. I'm innocent, completely innocent.
The ring won't work. Greenleaf sold you out.
What? No, this will work. I assure you, it must. I wouldn't did you. Damn you, come on. Please. Tell me who killed her.
My lips are sealed.
How many years?
What?
How many years has this been going on?
Too many. But I didn't kill those women, Bigby. Please, I had nothing to do with that. It just, oh God.
Are you all right?
What happened to you? Were you always like this?
Not always. It started as most things do, very, very small, nothing more than a thought. But I didn't kill that woman.
Bigby? I don't think he did it.
What?
Look at him. Do you really think this man murdered these women? He's not... He wouldn't be brave enough. Not to put his stamp on the world like that. He's a disgusting coward, not a murderer.
Thank you, my dear. It means so much to...
Shut up. Don't talk to me.
Okay.
You said you found evidence of him defrauding Fabletown, of using our money for his own ambitions. That's one thing. But don't you have doubts he's a murderer? We've both known him for so long.
I can't believe I'm hearing this. Did you see how he was acting when you showed up?
Yes, I know how this...
Why would he even come here if he wasn't covering his tracks?
He thought he was being framed. And maybe he is.
This fuck-up knows more than he's saying.
I don't.
Yes, okay, he probably does. But there's a difference between being involved and being the guy who did it.
Okay, but if Crane didn't kill Faith and Lily, I'm sorry, but who the hell did? You know, when I saw you come back here, I thought this was over.
I know, and I'm sorry, but...
If the killer's still out there, I want to know who it is.
This whole thing is bigger than Crane. He wouldn't have the stones to send the Tweedles after me. Somebody else is involved.
Well, shit.
I didn't intend for any of this to get so...
You've been stealing money from Fabletown for years, haven't you? Yeah. We're not gonna kill you, so quit your shivering. Ichabod Crane, you are under arrest for the misappropriation of Fabletown funds. You have the right to counsel, the right to depose witnesses, but as of right now, you're coming with us.
Get the fuck up. Now.
I guess we know who's in charge, Sheriff.
Sometimes it's fuzzy.
You think
You have what it takes to run that office? You think I didn't make sacrifices? I made sacrifices. And you won't be in that chair 1 minute before you have to give up something you care about just so the wheels don't fall off the goddamn wagon. I did the best I could with what I had. And the town took
J'ai envie de le péter le
out
nez.
of me. If I maybe took a little something back in return, then so be it. I have no regrets.
Yeah, see, the thing of it is, we're better at this than you are.
Ah, c'est pas du tout un Picsou, hein. Picsou, il a eu ses torts, comme faire brûler des villages, enfin un village, mais non, c'est pas du tout un Picsou. On est très loin du cas. D'ailleurs, petite question, Yuya, il y a combien d'épisodes du jeu? Ah, j'imagine, ça devait te faire rire, oui.
Stupid girls and their preposterous schemes.
What are you saying?
Oh merde, je le sens pas cette histoire. Ça va être les détectives. Cinq, d'accord. Ah non, ça va pas être les détectives, ça va être plus gros. Ah, quoique si. Si, c'est eux. Par contre, ça va être eux avec autre chose.
Hi. What you got there?
Ah, c'était une détective, elle, je crois, de ce que j'en avais vu.
Look, it's recently come under our attention that you're, how shall I put this, attempting to claim what is the personal property of the Crooked Man. He's about yay high, 120 odd pounds, pissed his sheets until he was 14. Sound familiar?
I haven't told them anything.
Not now. Shh. The grown-ups are talking.
What do you want?
That sack of flour. Crane, dear. It's Crane.
It wasn't my fault.
Shut up. You're interfering with official Fabletown business. Step aside.
Tweedledee. What's the, you know, that thing the Mundies call me?
What?
My nickname. You know what I'm talking about. Bloody Mary, that's it. Thank you. And do you know why they call me that? Because some of them, they think it's funny to have their little sleepovers and go into their little bathrooms and say my name 5 times in the mirror. They find it less funny when I actually show up and feed their lungs to the family dog. And I do that for a hobby. Like golf, to relax. This is my job. I like my job. So think about what I'm gonna do to you, your girl, and the rest of your friends if you don't hand over the sock puppet now.
You can fuck off if you think you're getting him.
Ah oui, putain, c'est vrai qu'on est en train d'avancer. Ça s'est arrêté au moment où tu l'as dit. Je t'avais dit qu'il ne lâcherait pas. Putain, merde. Donc, ouais, il y a quand même une petite partie coupée, quoi. Ouh, ça me plaît. Ouh, c'est stylé. Oh punaise, qu'ils se prennent. Il y a déjà eu assez de morts. Ah, c'est une balle en argent.
It was a good show, but, you know, it just didn't know when to end. You know, you wouldn't think silver bullets would
Ah, le son a des ratés.
put up
Putain, c'est
your
chiant.
werewolf, but as it turns out, it's just right, Wolfie? I mean, hey, look, I know it sounds ridiculous, but really, guys, can you argue with these results? Because I know I can't.
Wait! Stop!
Désolé du coup pour les bugs de stream et de son, je peux pas y faire grand chose pour le coup. C'est OBS qui fait de la merde.
Just take him, okay? Take Crane. Just stop, please.
Yeah, I don't know.
Just get out of here.
Ah! Qui est le vrai méchant?
It's your lucky day, kid. The Crooked Man says it's okay with him. Hello, Ichabod. Got a stomachache?
Non, Monsieur Scrooge, qui n'est pas du tout le même.
Oh, and just between us girls, Crane ain't no killer. I mean, look at his face. Couldn't stick a pig if his life depended. Kinda like your boyfriend here. Too pussy to ruin a Tweedle stay. Well, this is a beautiful relationship we have with you guys. Really. I mean,
Comment ça se fait qu'elle ait une force de taré comme ça? Je suis en train de me dire, elle.
out with the old, in with the new. Long live the queen. I'm sure we'll be in touch. See you around.
Ah ouais, bien chaud. Ah, on a fini l'épisode. Ah ouais. Alors, j'avoue que j'aurais envie de continuer. Mais par contre, je commence à avoir sacrément faim.
He's lucky to be alive. And he won't be next time if he keeps going like this.
This is getting worse by the minute. We don't have time to sit around and wait for their next move.
À toi aussi.
Get things under control.
Woody, I'm not gonna tell you again. Back off, dog. This doesn't concern you.
What do you want to talk about?
I just wanted to, about last night.
After what they did to you, are you even gonna be able to stop them?
Don't hold out on me, Jack. You've always got some angle.
Not this time. I know when a mark's not worth the trouble. Do you?
Don't make me come down there to deal with you.
Putain, je l'avais oublié, lui.
You don't want it. Then again, you don't have much choice at this point, do you?
Alors, voyons voir nos stats. Les trucs, je vais chercher comme d'habitude les trucs un peu différents. Bon, les gens ont globalement été investigués en premier le bar, ok, pas étonnant. Que d'action, oui, très clairement. Ah, ce coup-ci, on a été à peu près dans la logique des gens. Il n'y en a pas beaucoup qui auraient fouillé son bureau, a priori. Le bureau de Crane. Ouais. Et bah écoutez, en tout cas, c'était plutôt cool, mine de rien. Donc bah je pense que le prochain stream, vu que maintenant on est lancé, le prochain stream ça sera sans doute, en tout cas au moins au début, bah la suite, tout simplement. Comme ça on va pouvoir potentiellement le finir le jeu. Et ensuite bah je pense qu'on s'occupera en fin de chrono. Donc ouais les prochains lives ça va être The Wolf Among Us et Chrono Trigger je pense. Comme ça, on aura fait Mario Sunshine, on l'aura terminé, on aura fait The Wolf Among Us, on l'aura terminé, et Chrono Trigger, on y fera retourner pour le terminer également. Ça me semble pas plus mal pour l'anniversaire, on finit ce qui était en cours. Mais en tout cas, c'était cool. Franchement, bien sympa, bien dynamique. L'action était bien présente. Et puis, bah, il y a une bonne ambiance, hein, mine de rien. Je reste surpris de me dire que j'apprécie le jeu. Pas que ça sentait mauvais ou autre, hein, très clairement pas, mais le côté point and click, j'ai toujours été extrêmement refroidi par le genre. Et là, il me plaît. Là, il me plaît vraiment bien. Ouais, franchement, ça me plaît toujours, donc bien joué Yuya. Bien joué pour cette découverte. Enfin, c'est même plus une découverte. À l'origine, ça devait être une découverte. J'ai joué la première heure, je fais ok, c'est bon, on va continuer. Donc bien joué. T'as bien visé là. Écoutez, en tout cas, bah, pour le... Comment dire? Pour la VOD, j'espère que ça vous aura plu. Et je vous dis à une prochaine tout simplement. Et pour le live, je fais juste une petite coupure. Je reviens rapidement le temps du raid. Donc à tout de suite. Voilà, ouais, j'ai coupé comme ça pour la VOD, ça fait une coupure propre. T'as quelqu'un à proposer pour un raid? Bah écoute, hésite pas. Si ça peut coller, pourquoi pas. Ah, et mes voisins qui foutent encore le bordel, je crois. Je sais pas ce qu'ils foutent, mais... Ah, pas en plus, on entend bien. Je suis en train de voir que on voit la barre du micro qui bouge. I believe I can fly. Ok, oh, bah je vais voir ça du coup. Ah, par contre, c'est une chaîne en anglais, non? Ah, peut-être pas, non, j'ai cru sur le coup. Ah, sur le coup, j'ai cru. J'ai vu, tu vois, le début du titre. Je me suis dit, ah, c'est en anglais. Mais non, ça va en fait. Ah, et par contre, voilà, j'avais le son. je coupe du coup le son pour pouvoir regarder. C'est plus sûr. Sinon, la VOD va garder des bouts de trucs. Que je refasse pas l'erreur de la dernière fois. Quoique je pourrais tout simplement couper le OBS, comme ça moi j'entends quand même. Ah, il était sur Balatro avant? Ah, dommage. C'est vrai que ça aurait pu être cool. Bah écoute, je vais te faire confiance, on va aller le raid. Je connais absolument pas, mais vas-y, let's go. Je regarde quand même dans le doute que j'ai pas quelqu'un à raid depuis un certain temps que j'aurais voulu raid, moi. Au cas où. J'ai pas l'impression. Il y a Curie qui est en live, il faudrait que je le raid un jour, mais pour l'instant ça peut attendre un peu. Donc let's go du coup. Allez. En tout cas, bah merci pour le live encore une fois. Merci d'avoir été là. Et je vous dis, et bah normalement à demain pour la suite de The Wolf Among Us. Sans doute début, milieu d'après-midi. Et on s'arrêtera vers les 19h environ. Voilà, je peux pas vous dire exactement quand, mais 14-15 heures, ça serait bien. À peu près. Allez. Merci encore, et à la prochaine. Et je vais lancer le raid. À plus.